Hey gang, what's happening? Did a little surgery on this floor on this Pinto to see what I got to work with. But as you see here, I got a fairly decent inner rocker. I'll get rid of this shit here. I'm going to pull all this carpet out yet today, get the seats out, console, shifter, e-brake cover. Now depending on how bad this shit is underneath, I guess I don't really know. At least there's something to go with. Stopped at Discount Steel, northeast Minneapolis yesterday. Got me a little sheet of 18 gauge. Oh yeah, I got the wheels here too. Oh yeah, check it out. New 14-inch chromies. I just bought new tires. I got tired of farting on all those junkyard shit bags. Just constantly going flat, no better than the shit that was on it. So I guess I'll go with this, get this seat out and go from there. So I'll keep on trucking and keep you posted. Oh, look at all this stuff. What do we got? Let's see. Some Nitro 27s, man. Let's see, Mr. 12 gauge guy. Calendar. Kim Built Propane. 06. Couple fuel receipts. What do we got? 06. Must have got a calendar and some gas. Merry Christmas. Let's see, zippity zap the sill out, because that's in good shape. That's all we got. How's that come out? Looks like it's just a halfer. Get rid of the stinky carpet. Couple plugs for the seatbelt buzzer. That's what it used to be color. Yeah, I'll pull it out. I can just pull it around it maybe. Yeah, let's try that. Ooh, fancy when it was new. I suppose the seatbelt anchors are going to hold me up. Torque skis. A little rainwater in there. Left the window down one day. Let's do this. Hey. Let's do this here. Look at that, nice little spot for you. Oh no, my damn pocket knife. Damn it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. She's a little tougher than I thought, buddies. A little tougher than I thought. Maybe she won't get the super custom awesome floor. Maybe she'll just get the floor that gets the job done floor. That's why I was gonna leave shit sitting in the grass. Oh, starting to come in a little here. I don't think I'm putting full floor pans in this old turd, but it's worth to put something in it, because it ain't doing shit like this, let me tell you. Gotta get a knife. I guess that's a spot. I don't know. Let's try that. tal? That's what I'm talking about. Tear the shit out. Sniff that. What's that smell like? It smells like yucky. Man, look at me. Damn. Alright. What do we got? Got a big ass hole. The high beam dimmer's rusted tight. This doesn't be too bad. Really, it's just a flat piece. Grind this all down. Except the shitty part is all the lines are in right there. So I got brake, fuel, and probably fuel return. So that's a challenge. Heavy duty bracing. And boy, that'll hold you in when you get smashed across the side. Pull this kick plate. Looks like it's just a one screw holds that guy on. Well, that was okay. One soft spot. Nope, missed one. Look at this shit. Ah, look at that. Secret screw. That's hilarious. I wonder why the rockers rot out. Put cardboard in there. Magnetic. Get out of there, boy. Nice. Tabs are all good. Yep. Made in Canada. Canada. I love saying that. Alright. See if we can save this. Oh yeah, let's see. Wait for a big old rat to come jumping out of here or something. And we'll save that. Replace this. Oh, there we go. Maybe it still works. Whoa. Whoa. Oh no. Not good. Not much for side impacts any longer. I don't know, boys. This might be just to stick some license plates in the effing floor and call it good. I don't know if I'll chop up that nice piece of tin for this. Because I do got a bunch of license plates. I got a couple Colorados and a whole bunch of Minnesotas and blah blah blah. Who knows, man? Let's see. So we got the red light on for the high beams. Oh man, look at that. Uh-oh. There we go. I think we'll be okay. Just throw some juice on her. That's good. Alright, I'm going to clean this shit up and contemplate the future and see where we're at with it. I think she's going to get the as cheap as possible job and then some sweet shag carpet. Keep it on the cheap. Keep it realistic. Keep it realistic. Or is it realistic? Ah. Whatever. Dude, it's got a vent. Had no idea. Love those. Nice. Alright. In a bit.